Hello guys, so today I will show you how to upgrade to the new input system in 3D GameKit. So first you go to Package Manager and install the new input system. Then you click Install. And when that's done, you go to Project Settings and choose in Player and the new input system. And then you have to restart the editor. And when that's done, go to the player input script. That handles the new input. Event system handles the event input from the event system, like all the UI. It's pre-really made, so you don't have to set that one up. When you open a player input actions, you hit the plus icon, make a new action map, like player. Then you have different actions like move, jump, look, attack, and pause. And there you just set up what binding you want. You can click on path, choose from the list down, or you hit the button listen and click the corresponding key. And please remember to save asset. It doesn't save itself, or you can use autosave, but I recommend using save button. Then you'll open the player input script, which is created by Unity, because this is for the 3D game kit. It's basically, you can use it for any, but this is made for special this one. First you need to make a new line there using Unity engine input system, and that over there is you get the references to the move, jump, and attack that was made in the player mapping. Everything else is pretty normal, nothing I've changed except this. M movement is an update, which has always been. Then I just move using the reference for the input actions, like that one's move, because I want to use move. Calling that one action is when what kind of action do I want, and I want to take the value from vector 2, so it knows it's a vector 2 value, so you can move around the player. So that's like the new code instead of input get button or input get axis. That's how we now in this new input system use. And for the M pause and M jump, I just called for the keyboard current space keys, and that it was pressed this frame, and it's in update, so it works. I have a little bit struggle to figure that one out, but I know it works perfectly this way. And you need a void on enable and void on disable, because it knows when the action can be performed and when it cannot. Like if the player die, you shouldn't be able to attack. So that's only the code changes you need to do to get 3D Game Kit to work with the new input system, and I will soon show the mobile controls later in this video. So now, click open menu canvases and drag event system into the event system in player input. And there you can see you have the left stick to move the character, and the path is left stick on the gamepad, which we previously set up in the player action mapping. For the attack button, the same thing. But for jump button and pause, for jump I locate a keyboard and space for control path, and for jump for pause escape. And those you get from the action matrix. You could just drag them into the slots, so it finds the references in the player input script. For the camera rig, if you are using Cinemachine, you don't need to do anything special. It will automatically convert the Cinemachine to be using the Cinemachine input provider. So it's already pre-set up inside Unity, so that you don't have to think about that. And the same thing is it with the event system. It automatically upgrade when you go to the event system input. It asks you if you want to use the new one. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.